UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has released the new population policy 2021 to 2030 in the state, while launching the policy which provides incentives to families with 2 children and disincentives for those who flout the rule. CM Yogi called increasing population the biggest hurdle in the path of development. He assured that every community has been taken care of in the policy.
विश्व जनसंख्या दिवस के अवसर पर आज उत्तर प्रदेश की जनसंख्या नीति 2021 से 30 यह जारी हो रही है। इसको जारी करते हुए मुझे प्रसन्नता की अनुभूति हो रही है कि काफी तथ्यों के साथ समाज के विभिन्न तबकों को ध्यान में रख करके इस जनसंख्या नीति को लागू करने का कार्य आज प्रदेश सरकार कर रही है।
Let's in fact go across to Mohit, who's joining us for more details here. Mohit, obviously the Chief Minister is talking about how population is the reason behind inequality and hurdle to development, but obviously this policy has caused a political uproar of sorts.
Well, you see, the UP government is claiming that this policy, this draft bill is very important given the fact that UP has limited economic and other resources, and hence the population explosion is something that needs to be controlled. Now, they have given various incentives in the draft bill in which they say that if somebody who doesn't have more than 2 children, they will be given subsidies, they will be given preference in government jobs, and also if a government servant is having less than 2 kids, then they will be getting 2 extra increments, they will be getting more chances of promotion. But those who will have more than 2 children, they will not get any subsidies, they will not be able to contest the local body elections, they will not be able to get into the government jobs, and also they will not get any kind of subsidy. So there are various pros and cons of this particular policy, but the opposition party basically say that this has been done keeping in mind the upcoming elections, and also they say that it is for the polarization. But the government says that it is not for any specific community, it's for everybody, because we need to control the population explosion, and education and giving all these incentives are a part of it. Back to you.
Yes, absolutely, Mohit. Thank you so much for joining us with all of those details. Well, that's as far as this policy itself is concerned. But the debate continues over the 2-child policy to control the population growth. Weeks after hinting at a 2-child policy in Assam, Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma has said that the government is likely to link some schemes to the 2-child policy as well, and that a big announcement regarding voluntary sterilization or population control measures is expected during the budget session. In fact, on Saturday, even the UP Law Commission had released the first draft of this bill that aimed at population control. The draft provided incentives to families with 2 children and disincentives to those that flouted it. As BJP pushes for the 2-child policy in UP and Assam, Union Minority Affairs Minister Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi has welcomed this move. Naqvi said that the 2-child policy is the need of the hour, and its better implementation is also needed.
ये जनसंख्या नियंत्रण ये देश की भी और वक्त की भी ज़रूरत है, और मुझे लगता है कि अगर कोई राज्य उत्तर प्रदेश इस दिशा में जागरूकता के लिए लोगों को तैयार करने के लिए काम कर रहा है तो इसका स्वागत होना चाहिए। क्योंकि जनसंख्या नियंत्रण, ये बात सही है कि एक बार कांग्रेस पार्टी ने बहुत भोंडे ढंग से और भद्दे ढंग से इसके प्रयास किए थे जो कि फेल हुए, लेकिन बेहतर तरीके से लोगों को तैयार करके, लोगों के अंदर जो है वो जागरूकता पैदा करके, लोगों को प्रोत्साहित करके इस दिशा में काम होना चाहिए।
Meanwhile, BJP ally in Bihar, JDU, has raised concerns over the UP population draft bill. The JDU leader has said that the population issue must not be used to polarize people. He said that the best way to curb population is to educate people.
जनसंख्या कंट्रोल के बारे में जो बातें की जा रही फालतू की बातें हैं। सही बात यह है कि पॉपुलेशन जो बढ़ रहा है, आबादी जो बढ़ रही है, इससे सभी परेशान हैं। लेकिन इसको पोलराइज करने के लिए, पॉलिटिकली फायदा उठाने के लिए अगर कोई गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसी बनाती है तो इसका कोई साथ नहीं दे सकता और इसको रिजेक्ट किया जाना चाहिए। बेहतर तरीका यह है कि लोगों को शिक्षित किया जाए और इसके जरिए ही पॉपुलेशन को कंट्रोल किया जाना बेहतर तरीका है।